Periodicity. Periodicity means very important long answer. Periodicity. The repetition of regular intervals as the properties is called periodicity. The repetition of regular intervals of the properties is called periodicity. These are divided into 6 types. Periodicity is 6 types is divided. First one is atomic radius, and second one is ionization energy or ionization enthalpy. So third one is electron affinity, and fourth one electron negativity, fifth one is electron positivity, and sixth one is metallic and non-metallic nature. Metallic and non-metallic nature. So this is divided into 6 types of periodicity. So first one is atomic radius. The first one is atomic radius. Atomic radius or crystal radius. This is the crystal radius. Atomic radius or crystal radius. The distance between the nucleus outer shell orbitals is called atomic radius. The distance between the nucleus outer shell orbital. Nucleus outer shell orbital. Outer shell orbitals is called atomic radius. Atomic radius or crystal radius, the distance between the nucleus outer shell orbitals is called atomic radius. It is divided into 2 types. This is the first one is van der Waals forces. And second one is covalent radius. First one is van der Waals forces, second one is covalent radius, the atomic radius. Van der Waals forces, this type of radius is used for the half of the distance between the nucleus. Different atoms, the van der Waals forces is called van der Waals, and radius, the distance between the 2 chlorine atoms, and the van der Waals forces is 3.6 by 2 chlorine atoms. Example, van der Waals forces distance between the 2 chlorine atoms, half of the distance between the atom, and to formation 2 chlorine atoms, 3.6 by 2 equals 1.8 angstroms. 1.8 angstroms. Example, 2 chlorine atoms, distance between half of the distance between the nucleus. Different atoms with van der Waals forces is called van der Waals radius. Van der Waals radius is 2 chlorine atoms is 3.6 by 2 equals to 1.8 angstroms. And second one is covalent radius. Covalent radius, the half of the distance between the nucleus and 2 atoms bonded with covalent. This type of radius is used with non-metallic nature. The distance between the nucleus of the distance chlorine atoms 1.98 angstrom, and covalent radius 1.98 angstroms. Chlorine atom. The half of the distance between the covalent bond to nucleus to nucleus to bond formation. This is the 1.98 angstroms. 1.98 by 2 equals 0.99 angstroms. 0.99 angstrom. This is the covalent radius. Next, variation of atomic radius. In groups, in periods. Groups atomic radius In groups atomic top to bottom periodic table top to bottom atomic number increases. Top to bottom atomic number increases. So atomic radius increases because of atomic number increases. Top to bottom variation of group atomic radius in groups. Groups top to bottom periodic table top to bottom atomic number increases. So atomic radius also increases due to the atomic number. And variation of in periods. Variation of in periods, the left to right atomic number decreases. Atomic number decreases and to atomic radius also increases in period. Left to right atomic number decreases and due to the atomic radius also decreases in periods. This is a hydrogen, helium. 1, 2. 2 left to right, 2, 1. 2, 1. And to left to right decrease the atomic number. So decrease the atomic number, atomic radius also decreases in periods. Top to bottom atomic number increases, atomic radius also increases in groups. So this is the atomic radius. First one is periodicity, first one is atomic radius. Atomic radius two types, van der Waals forces, covalent bond, covalent radius, and again to the variation of periods, again to the variation of groups. This is the periodicity of first one is atomic radius.